समय नहीं रुकता किसी के लिए, वो हर पल आगे बढ़ता जाता है। समय नहीं रुकता किसी के लिए, वो हर पल आगे बढ़ता जाता है। समय के साथ हम नहीं चले तो समय बहुत आगे निकल जाता है।
Good morning everyone, esteemed teachers and my dear friends. I am Seerat
And I am Ishleen.
Today, we the students of class 8 gather here to conduct an assembly on the topic time management.
Time management is the process of planning and exercising conscious control of time spent on specific activities. It helps to increase the effectiveness, efficiency and productivity of work.
Every moment we receive in life is precious. Let us take a minute to appreciate this blessing of God. Let us thank God for this precious gift. Now, my friends will lead us into the prayer. May this prayer not just be words that we listen to, but let them resonate within each one of us. Join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat after us. Dear God, thank you for this new day and the time you have given us. Help us to use our time wisely, making the most of every opportunity to learn, grow, and help others. Teach us to be responsible with our tasks, to stay focused, and to avoid distractions. Give us the wisdom to balance our studies, activities, and rest, so we may live a life of purpose and discipline. Guide us to be mindful of the time we have